Blessings. This afternoon, I have compiled a list of stories. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro soon forward. Before the intro, that was Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson as he arrived at the funeral service for the late retired Commissioner of Police Lucius Thomas. The funeral service is being held at the Boulevard Baptist Church in St. Andrew. To start things off, we're heading south in the county of Middlesex. For the past couple of months, the once cool parish of Manchester, we saw where it has now developed some heat to the point where this morning, Wednesday, February 15, sometime before 1 a.m., relics strike, and a male along with a female was greeted with a deadly surprise. The male is known only by his alias for now and is now on your display. He is called Bleachers, one of those gradient type of human that change colors capriciously. A bleach brown individual, his contrast is dependent on chemicals, while the 22-year-old female, her government name is Shemmy Bora, otherwise known as Shemmy or Browning. She was from Comapen in the parish of St. Elizabeth. It was told to me that she was a promotional dancer, and a promotional dancer is a female you can book for your event to keep your patrons entertained. Small companies or businesses book them for example, outside broadcasts to entertain the crowd while they promote a specific item they are introducing to the public, hoping for it to hit the market. There are also the females you saw in music videos. So she was one of those females, or that title was attached to her name based on her past as a dancehall queen. It is said that they were coming from a party, traveling in an erroneous vehicle, a Toyota Inaccurate, otherwise called a Mark X. Nothing about a X is right. So upon reaching the intersection of Barrett Peace and the Kendall Main Road, they were aimed and shot at. Shemmy picked up a couple of rounds. Her body was hot, so she was able to run about 60 meters before the bullets take effect. This is how gunshot works. And that was when she fell. She collapsed at the side of a shop, while Bleachers, he was unable to move. He was in a static position in the driver's seat, slumped with multiple rounds to his upper body. They were taken to the hospital, but only for pronunciation. Shemmy Bora, she was a mother of a daughter. On the 15th of September coming, her daughter would celebrate her 6th birthday. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. And if you have reached this far, please I'm asking you to like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. The neighboring parish of Clarendon is patiently waiting on us. So as we head towards our next stop, it is said that a man picked up quite a few rounds in Sanguinetti, which is a community in Clarendon, early this morning. He is identified as 22-year-old Kurt Douglas. He was also leaving a party when some relics made an unwelcome delivery, causing his health to deteriorate rapidly. He picked up quite a few rounds and he was also pronounced. And as we continue southeast, we were told that the decomposing body of a woman was found in Orange Valley district of Loudesville, St. Catherine last evening, which was Tuesday afternoon, February 14, at around 4 p.m. The body is believed to be that of 56-year-old Angella otherwise called Imo, from Union District, also in Loudesville, St. Catherine. The gruesome discovery of her remains came when residents smelled a foul odor and someone randomly surveyed the area. So the police was summoned, and taking a closer look, that was when they were able to identify the gender. Due to its decomposition state, the hands, stomach, and parts of her face appeared to be eaten by animals. A crutch was also seen close to the body. It was also mentioned that last Thursday, Miss Buchanan was reported missing at the Shady Grove police station by a relative of hers. The photos are too gruesome for YouTube, so you can head on over to my WhatsApp and my Telegram groups where the photos are.
And he served well. And although we are here to mourn his passing, it is also an opportunity to celebrate his life. I want to offer deepest condolences on behalf of the entire Jamaican Constabulary Force, to the family, to the extended family, to those friends and colleagues of many years of Lucius, and wish that even as we celebrate his life and mourn his death, that we take some inspiration from the type of life that he led. Members of the JCF and citizens alike call for Commissioner Thomas's approach to everything he did, and remember him as one who was genuinely committed to improving the quality of life of members of the force and committed to the safety and security of the Jamaican people. I would add that he was blessed. He was blessed in many ways. He was blessed with a large family, with siblings, many siblings, even if he shared his life with. He was blessed with colleagues who thought highly enough of him to be here today, to come to celebrate his life and moments. That means he led a special life. He was a special person. He contributed at the highest level as a commissioner of police here. And what he did, people followed him with money. And he built on what came before. And so it is within the force as we build this force into the force that he would be proud of. He said at his acceptance of command of the force, and I'll quote here. He said, "We are determined to face the challenges ahead and to facilitate an atmosphere which will be conducive to building a bridge of harmony, trust, respect, and cooperation between citizens and the men and women of the force." The statement was not only profound then, but it is still relevant now. There's so much that we can take from what he said and from his life of service as we honor his memory. His humility. He was available, accessible to high and lower life. And the 15 sentences that were said before match exactly how he lived. And it was indeed appropriate that 15 sentences be read. The other thing was that he had a lot of respect for the people around him. He was a true gentleman. I had the opportunity to actually travel with him and go abroad to Canada with him at one point while he was commissioner. And one of the things that always marked how he did everything was that he was a gentleman. And that he was spontaneous. He also had, which was clear, a passion for service. And he gave all of his work life to service and to.
So there you have it, and please be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about what? Each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.